Hey guys, so today I want to give some follow-up regarding what I posted a few days ago for coming back to my karate trainings due to the exams for my half black belt. Unfortunately, this step that I chose wasn't the wisest because my knee hurt more after my training, so I decided just to not to give up but to step back, be a little wiser and more careful towards myself. And although my goals will be postponed, as I said the other day, for 6 months, it doesn't matter. What matters is that I continue to love karate. It gives me so much power, mostly in my soul, and I will never quit karate anyways. I will focus during this period until my knee heals to theoretically understanding and studying karate, because there are many techniques and terms that you can learn and that you need to learn in order to have like a more holistic and full knowledge of what you're doing, the sport that you have chosen. And for me, karate is literally a choice of life. I believe that it is for all ages. And no matter how old you are, you can start, and it gives you so much strength, inner strength mostly, and of course physical. It helps you to defend yourself if you need to, and it also gives you confidence and many other qualities like discipline, commitment, setting goals, which are very important to any field of life. And these qualities, like the discipline and the commitment and setting goals, is something that is very useful and indispensable for someone who chooses to rebuild their life. This is something else that I have chosen after going through difficult chapters in my life. I started with healing and therapy, podcasts, reading books, searching myself inside me, what happened, who I am, etc. Then karate entered my life, which helped me stand up, be stronger, have a strong mindset. And after that, 9 months ago, I decided to really rebuild my life financially and to build my own business, my own brand. I'm very proud of myself about this decision. I had tried in the previous years to work as a self-employed electrical engineer, and I also tried to work in other fields apart from electrical engineering, but now I focus on helping women who have went through difficult chapters like myself, and they are done with the healing part. They did all the work that they needed to do. Of course, healing is an ongoing process. You always need to heal. You always need to give yourselves the tools and the compassion and everything that you need in order to be a strong person, a strong woman. But I mainly help them to start building their own business, learning to create different income streams, which is very important nowadays. As we all know, we are going through very difficult seasons. When you work in the corporate world, you have to exchange your time, your precious time, with some kind of work that you promise to give but entrepreneurship is something different. When you decide to offer the world something that relates to you, relates to your strengths, it is much easier. It flows differently. You do it for yourself. You do it to express to the world what you are able to give to them, and people can understand what is real and what is not. They resonate with the people that they feel that they can trust, and this is what I want to give to women who feel dependent on like a relationship that doesn't really work, and they stay, for example, in the relationship just because they are financially dependent and they don't have options. So 9 months ago, when I started expressing myself through social media, through posts and videos related to healing, how to spot that you are within a toxic relationship, or other things that have to do mostly with healing. At the same time, I discovered the SMGB program, which is a course, a very extensive course. We have over 55 modules, and what I call it is the rebuilding system. This is the name that I gave to this course and to this ecosystem, because Joanna Lopez, who created this course, and the BTC mentorship, which is also extremely helpful and needed for anyone who has already bought another course, if not SMGB, whatever other digital course, and they have difficulties to apply what they learned. As BTC is what is needed to have all the mentorship to start applying what you learned. And she also created with Josh the SMGB X-Ties software, which actually takes all the information and all the knowledge that you learn through SMGB and BTC and has it inside this software. So you just open the application, you enter information, as much information as you need regarding your brand, what you sell, what you offer, what problems you solve, what is your niche, your audience, and it has so many tools based to Claude, which is an AI tool that is extremely powerful, and it just gives you solution when you just not know what to post. You don't know how to structure your post, your video, how to show up. So these 3 tools that I am an affiliate for are at a discount during this period. Of course, as we all know, discounts don't last forever, because what we offer really has extreme value, great value. And regarding SMGB and BTC, you invest once, you buy it once, and you have lifetime access to the course, which is for which Joanna always adds more modules and more modules. Like every month we have 1 more module approximately, and these modules help you learn anything that has to do with business, with trends, anything that you need to know in order to become an entrepreneur, a digital marketer. And as for the software, the SMGB X-Ties software, it is normally at a monthly subscription of £20, but during this period we have it at half price, £10. So you just need to try it. If you don't know what to post, if you don't know how to show up, all the information knowledge that is within SMGB and BTC is applied through the engines of the software. So just give it a try. £10 per month. You can cancel anytime you need. And of course, these three tools and courses you can resell if you want. You can get commission. You will immediately understand the value that is there. And you can do that by visiting my website, lightwithinjourney.com, in which you can find my free guides. So you can go through some information on what is included in the courses and the software. They are for free, of course, and you can always come back to me and send me a DM, ask any questions. We can discuss what are your needs, and I will guide you honestly. And this is what I want to do. I want to help people. I want to help people because I want also to help myself. So I think this is what entrepreneurship is. You give and you receive. And also in all kinds of relationships, you give and you receive. So thank you for listening to me today, and I hope that some of the things that I told today can resonate with some of you. I would like you to follow my content, to follow me in the social media. I am across several social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, X. And to confess, I don't follow the rule that helps someone who is new in this space to succeed, because they always say just focus on one platform, stay consistent there. But I'm all over the place. I'm consistent, but I'm spreading my word throughout several social media. This is how I am. I'm an electrical engineer. I have studied several things. This is my personality. This is what I chose. But anyway, so just visit my website, lightwithinjourney.com. If you have any questions, get back to me and we will take it from there. I hope you have a great week. I wish you the best.